Okay, so I woke up this morning, used the bathroom, went back to my bed to lay down for a little bit, and my toilet started running. So the little bit I do know about toilets is that right thing is the flapper thing. There was a black ring around it that was like kind of like disintegrating, and you can see some of the residue from this black ring when like the water like fills up. So I shut off the water to my what is this, bowl or whatever. No, this is the bowl. This thing right here. Shut the water off. I'm going to take this red thing, which is I know known as the flapper, take it to like Home Depot or Lowe's and have them replace it. But aside from this red thing, I believe I need the ring, like the ring that went around it. So I'm gonna take this to Lowe's and hopefully like someone can help me find my replacement part. I'm gonna try to fix the toilet all by myself. Usually, my mom would help me, but you know, some of these things I know it's pretty simple. You know, I'm gonna try to figure it out by myself. All right, so I'm leaving Lowe's. I got two separate things. I know I might have to return one because my flapper still looks good. So what I'm first gonna try out, I bought this rubber thing that goes around the toilet thing. I'm gonna put that there and put my old flapper back, and then I'm gonna let the day go on, use the toilet, see how it goes. And if this rubber thing fixes the problem, then I will return the set, because I bought a set that has a new flapper and a new rubber. So I'm gonna try that and see if it will work, and then you know, see if I can get my money back. It's my first time fixing a toilet, you know. I'm just like, Lord, it could always be worse, so I thank you for this opportunity to learn and grow. It's still early. It's basically like 9:40 something right now, and I am going to be headed to Wendy's to try out their breakfast. So, fun fact, I used to work at Wendy's when I was in high school. I freaking love Wendy's. The meat is actually fresh, never frozen. They used to get a new shipment of meat like twice a week. When I used to work there, and when I did start working at Wendy's, that's when they were doing away with the breakfast. But now, in 2020, they brought the breakfast back. So, breakfast ends at 10:30, so I'm shooting down my way down there to try out their breakfast and yeah, see how it goes.
Thank you for choosing Wendy's.
Hi, can I get a number 5?
What would you like to drink with that?
The Frosty Chino?
A Frosty Chino?
Yes.
What flavor?
Vanilla.
We only have that in a large right now, so is that okay with you?
Yeah. And that'll be all.
You can pull forward.
Thank you. Oh, all right. So here is the Frosty Chino. I got it in a large because they didn't have the small that came with a combo. Now let's test it out. Let's see. Okay. Whew. Okay. So I got my damn Wendy's. My first time having Wendy's breakfast. I got a vanilla Frosty Chino. That thing was good. Oh, I ate some in the car, but here's the wedges. I got a sausage, egg and cheese biscuit. Y'all probably see me order it already, but ooh, this is looking good. Smelling good. What a nice, good little bite right there. It looked like real egg, honestly. Like a little fried egg. All right. I like jelly on my biscuit. So it looks like I got today cut out for me. I went to Lowe's, got the flapper. I'm gonna try to fix my toilet. But I I know, okay, I know how to fix certain things in my car, like replace certain things. I know how to change my car's engine filter. Like that's under the hood, which is very simple. It was like a $10 part. You know, you open up the hood, you click the thing out, take it out, look at it, replace it, put it back in, bam. I remember the first time I got my engine filter changed, I think they charged me $30, $40, you know, the part plus labor. I'm just like, dang, this is a $10 part I can easily do myself. So now I replace my own engine filter, and I have like a notification that's on my phone that said, like a reminder on my Google Calendar that basically says, hey, change engine filter. So I looked up on YouTube to see how I change like my cabin air filter. The cabin air filter is the AC that flows inside the car, which for my car, I have to go through my glove compartment, get a screwdriver, like unhook some screws, take out the whole glove compartment, and then like I visualize it in my head because I watched a video, so I'm gonna try to redo that today. So I'm like Mrs. Fixer Upper right now. I'm about to fix my toilet. I'm about to change my cabin air filter. You know, like handle my business. But anyways. Let me taste this nice, good sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit from Wendy's. Okay. Wow. Not bad. It's actually very good. The biscuit is nice and flaky. The cheese is extra cheesy. Mmm. Mmm. This is good. I'm also very hungry as well. Yeah. Okay, Wendy's. Wow. You can't go wrong with Wendy's. I usually, on my way to work when I was driving to work, I'd usually stop and get Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A biscuits. Boy, if you don't get off the table. He's just spoiled as can be. I got him when he was a kitten. 2 months old, but oh Jesus, that boy right there. He's something else. See, thank you for being a good boy. Look at him. Good boy, Chino. Good boy. I'm not gonna lie, this Wendy's breakfast is hitting right now. I'm not a real big coffee drinker. Like, when I go to Starbucks, I'll probably get like caramel frappe with almond milk, no whipped cream. I'm trying to make small changes towards a healthier lifestyle. Small, very small, child. What else do I get from Starbucks? By the way, I'm not really a big coffee drinker. Cause I don't know if it's just me, but my stomach be hurting. I be wanting to, you know, use the bathroom, do number 2 when I be drinking coffee and all that stuff. But oh, my phone is about to die. Lord have mercy. Okay, you know what? I'll continue my Wendy's conversation another time. Finish my food. Probably drink about half of this. Put the rest in the fridge. Charge my phone, and then I'll take you guys with me as I attempt to fix my toilet, and then also my car to attempt to change out the cabin air filter and put it back. All right. Okay, so here is my what's it called? Oh my God, I'm sweating already. I ain't even started yet. Okay. So, from the YouTube video I watched, a whole bunch of screws I'm gonna have to take out. I believe there's like 10 of them. Take out the screws. You know what? Instead of letting me talking about it, I'm gonna show y'all. Oh, goodness. Okay. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Look at Chino. Dang, I am. Hang on. Okay, here we go. Chino. Oh, he is trying to open up the damn door. Hang on. Ooh, okay. Having a needy cat is like having a child, like a toddler. Alright, let's continue. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Ooh. Goodness gracious. Okay. That's one. Oh. So far, so good. Do y'all hear Chino? Y'all probably can't even hear him. Just gonna let him cry it out. I tried to grab him. I was gonna probably put him in, let him sit by me in the driver's seat. Every time I try to grab him, he runs. He just be playing with me. It's like he wants to be near me, but he's scared. He's scared of the garage, the car, and the noise. Oh, goodness gracious. Dang it, I need a flashlight. Sweating bullets, but it's okay. Because I'll be saving money. Okay, so the top, I believe the top is unscrewed. Okay, here's the bottom one right there. Two. Right. Let me see. Can y'all still see that? No, you can't. Woo. Oh, shout out to YouTube. Helping me save some coinage. No, I was about to play some music, but I forgot copyright. This side is on tight. Okay, so all 8 screws are removed. Move this. Rolls of... Oh, crap. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Okay. Wow, that was easy. That was easy. So, here is my whole... what you call it? Glove box. Glove compartment. Ooh, let's take a drinky drink to that. Sweating bullets. Okay. Dang it. I think I'm gonna need a flashlight. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. Got the flashlight. So, Lord. Have mercy. This is so cool. All right. So, let me see. For my car, this is what the guy recommended. And, oh, goodness. Throw that over there. And this is my cabin air filter. So this is the new one. Oh crap, this is awkward AF. Ooh, Jesus, okay. I'm not the most patient young lady. These are learning moments for me. Okay. Oh, don't want to break that. Bam! Bam! Oh, crap. It's like halfway out. You can see it? Can you see it right there? It's halfway out. Oh, crap. All right. So, ooh, this thing is dirty. This is my old cabin air filter that I just took out all by myself. Ooh, God. Look at this. I am sweating, y'all. And so this is the old one, and this is the new one. Look at that. Don't judge me. Sometimes I'll just be going for an oil change and then, Chino. Sometimes I'll just go for an oil change and then they'll be like, oh, you need this. But sometimes they don't even check this because this is hard to get to. I am going to attempt to put it back in. Now this is where the guy had some difficulties. Okay. Dang it. Okay. Now's the time where I need that little light thing that's on your head. So I could like look and see if I can. Let me hurry up and do this. Where is the hole at? Oh, okay. Bam. That was easy. That was easy. Bam. And it's in there. Y'all see? It is in there. So cool. I just changed my cabin air filter. Okay. Now I just gotta put my glove thing back together. Ooh, Jesus. Alright, let's go with the bottom first. Let me reposition you guys. Oh, I'm sweating my wig off.
Sweat and thinking about it like a workout. It's a workout, it's a workout. Oh, come on. That one's kind of loose, but let me just get the bottom all together. Where's that hole? Fourth hole. Oh, shit. Okay, here's one. There's two.
Whew, okay. 4 down, 4 to go.
1, 2, 3. Okay. We'll go for the side first. Right, you tied it up, you can see. Let's get the screws in first. Oh, no, heavens. I don't know if it's the coffee that got me going or the heat and it's kind of rushed to get up out of here. Maybe it's already tight, okay. Ooh, sweat not doing that. Seems like it's easier to put in than it was to
Take out. Okay, let me replace my stuff. Emergency poncho. And big plastic bag, so once that emergency poncho runs out, I can throw this over my whole damn body. All right, and bam. I have just now changed my cabin air filter. Good job, Dina. Okay, so for, I guess, shits and giggles. Oops, sorry, Chino. I decided to call my local auto place I would usually go to for my oil changes and other little things. I was just like, hey, I have this type of car and I am looking to change out my cabin air filter. Around how much would it cost? And he said, oh, around $50 to $60. And I was just like, okay, all right, well, thank you. Have a good one. And I'm just like, dang. So if I didn't use YouTube to look at how to change a certain thing, I would have paid $60. But since I watched YouTube and, you know, I seen how they did it, I'm like, oh, this looks simple. Take out a few screws, pop it out, pop it in, bam. I end up just paying $20. So I feel like today I just saved technically $40, you know, on doing the simple car repair. And sometimes I feel like as women, sometimes when it comes to cars, sometimes men, of course, think that we don't know what the hell we're doing, but there's certain little things that we could easily just change ourselves if we just look it up. If we could look it up on YouTube and see, oh, okay, it's not too bad, I can do it myself, we could save a lot of damn money. And today I just saved $40. So the next thing I'll be doing today, which that car thing was kind of wasn't on my to-do list today. My main thing to do was to fix my toilet valve thing. Yeah, but only took 20 minutes out of my day. So anyways, I'm going to go upstairs, set this up, and then I'm going to attempt to change out my valve seal and my flapper thing, if need be. We're going to test it out. Alright, so this is my old flapper. And this is the thing that was like disintegrated, except for mine was black. So I'm going to try this to see if it's going to work. I'm going to put my old flapper back. We're going to save some money. But just in case they don't work together, then I'm gonna just get a whole new flapper, a whole new little circle rubber thing, and then bam. What we got right now. All right. This looks pretty simple. Oh no, I don't think it's gonna fit. Hang on, let me. Ooh, Jesus, I am tired from that, whatchamacallit. Dang, this looks too small, I think. This may be too small. Let me see if I can just... Lord. Let me see. Yeah, this is too small. Well, I will staple this back together. Ooh, how I like it. I'm trying, but I can't fight it. We're dancing real close. Okay, so let me try my next best bet, which is this thing right here. It's my backup. I just do it right the first time. Let me measure this, okay? This is cool. It says top right there. Let's see. Oh, this fits perfectly. All right, so this is the one that I need to use. This is the one that I need to use. Let me dry it off. So I still need to drain some of this water because it's supposed to be dried. The hood way, kind of just throwing it in the drain. I need the water low enough to be able to put the sealant on it. You know what? I'm gonna still try my old flapper because maybe I can save this new flapper for like another time when the old flapper goes bad. Okay. All right. So let's read the directions one more time. Okay. This is done. This is done. Drain water from tank. Remove old flapper. Clean drain seat with steel, wood, or sandpaper. Wipe and dry surface. I think I could dry it some more. I don't have a wool thing, but I'll make sure to dry it out real good. See, times like this, I like listening to music, but for YouTube copyright reasons, it's just me having to kind of talk. Unless I know, or y'all could tell me some, you know, music that I could. Whew, Lord, okay. I'm drying it off real good. All right, perfect. I got the water low enough to be able to. Goodness, okay. Be very generous with this thing. Very, very generous. Easy fix seat over the old drain seat. Press firmly into place. Avoid getting sealant on top of easy fix seat. All right, let me just stick it in and then bam. That was very, very simple. So here it is, what I had just put on right here. Gonna rub off some of that extra silicone and then wait 15 minutes. All right, so it's been about 15 to 20 minutes, and I believe the silicone is now dry. I kind of felt around it, pushed on it just to make sure. So this is my old flapper. I'm going to put my old flapper on and see if it will work with this new little, what is it called? Flush valve. And if not, then I'll put the new flapper in. But let's see if I could save some money by using my old stuff before I invest in the new stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna click this into place. Bam. Dang it. Where is the hole at? Where the hole, where the hole? Okay, there's two holes. I put in the first hole. Bam. Okay, that was pretty simple. So now I'm going to turn the water back on and just test it out.
Okay, the water is now filling up. Hopefully this works. Alright, let's wash.
All right, so my ultimate test will be I'm using my old flapper, and it looks like it's working so far, but only time will tell. So I'll kind of be in my room and just wait to see if I hear it run again. And if it runs again, then I will just change it for the new one. But so far, so good. It's been a little experience for me, a learning experience for sure, but I am hoping that what I just did fixes the problem.